Hello, Bonfire Night is approaching. I just wanted to do a quick video just to warn you that hedgehogs are beginning to hibernate now, and they are beginning to find secluded warm areas, and basically quite a lot of hedgehogs go into bonfires. So before you light up your bonfire, just do a quick check to make sure that there's no hedgehogs or other sleeping species within the vicinity. And remember, be careful of fireworks, but the main thing is to have fun and enjoy yourself and enjoy spending it with friends and family. So yes, just a quick video just to warn you about hedgehogs. So yeah, please rate, subscribe and comment. Thank you.